you guys? I'm Kid. I'm back with another Kid sequel. How y'all doing? We doing this little mukbang thing. Don't even know what we're doing. I got some touchdown wings, honey hot wings, and some fried rice. My husband has some
chicken salad chick.
Chicken salad chick. Let me tell y'all, we over here talking to each other. The camera just went dead. Well, the screen just turned black. I ain't even pressed the record button. So, quick intro. That's that, y'all. We just did all of that. Y'all ain't even see or hear. But yeah, hey, we don't know how to do a mukbang, right? You just eat. Is that what you do? You just eat on a mukbang? Whoa, you're thirsty. Would you like a bottle of water?
Sure.
I'll get you a bottle of water. Give me just a second, y'all.
All my crackers are broke.
All of them are broke?
Yes.
We got some saltine crackers if you want some saltine.
No, I'm not gonna eat much more.
That's crazy how we was like literally not recording.
Just going on and on and on.
Yeah, just going on. Just going on.
I tried to tell you.
No, you didn't. You didn't tell me anything. You guys, I made my own honey hot sauce because extra wet was an option. And they didn't come extra wet. So I made my own honey hot glaze on my wings. And I thought I was recording pouring it over. Y'all didn't see none of that shit. No. But whatever. This gonna be our mukbang.
Yeah.
What's up? You want some more rice?
No, I'm good.
It's fuck.
I was just gonna, it is good. But tonight when you have your midnight snack, you're eating that heavy rice with that heavy sauce. Late night, I'll be having this fresh chicken salad.
Baby, stop trying to be
Make me
healthy and shit. He just killed that fucking meatloaf the other day, you guys. Thank y'all for running that motherfucker up. I appreciate it.
I killed it. You only gave me one slice.
No, you one slice lying.
You gave me 2 slices for real. 2 baby slices. 2 peanut slices is what you gave me.
And then took a plate to work. Where my plate at?
Just play work.
You didn't bring it back. I need it.
It only had 1 slice on it for real.
Yeah, your lunch did.
And you had the 3/4 of the meatloaf to eat.
Baby, you came home yesterday and ate some more. I'm not even gonna talk. Whatever. Cause you can start playing.
That what you gave me yesterday for real. It was the size. It was this size. 2 tops like this. 2. Yeah. That's it. You ate more of it than I did. See that? All of them broken. So sad.
I need an extra ranch, so we got the Hidden Valley out the refrigerator.
It was good on chicken salad too.
You want some of it?
No.
Oh. I cannot believe we was not recording. That's crazy. We weren't recording anything. Just talking.
You see how I take small bites?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Let me see what you can do to that wing.
Eat it. Why he over here trying to be all...
Good number.
Let me play all day.
So you're supposed to eat.
Okay, baby.
Yeah, chicken salad so good. I've been wanting this for weeks.
Well, baby, I'm glad you got it. I'm glad we made it.
You don't like chicken salad?
I don't know. Thank you, though. Is that how y'all eat your chicken? Y'all clean the bones?
Who's it?
You clean the bones? You want one, baby?
No. I made a commitment.
Okay.
To not eat your food when you're looking.
Man, you is funny. You funny. Shit. My honey hot. Spicier than theirs.
I know I tasted it.
I was cold.
Yes. Good and cold. Okay.
Done? You're not gonna eat anymore?
You're supposed to eat smaller portions more often. Like 6 small meals versus all that rice, 10 chicken wings, yum sauce, and ranch all at one time. You know? Excuse me, guys.
Yeah, I'm not even gonna pay attention to my husband because I ain't got nothing to say. None.
That's why I can still run the 440. I'm not saying you can't. I'm saying why I can't. Just to show you that I'm not, you know.
I'm not listening to this man. Y'all have to listen to him. I'm eating. I'm not gonna play with you.
Okay.
No, baby.
And snack. Don't be over here. Let me taste it, baby. Let me taste it. Give me some.
Now you know dang well I'm not finna eat that chicken
I
salad.
mean, you should not, because I'm not going to allow you to.
I don't want none of
You know how you get like that when we want to eat, baby. You always want to eat my stuff. Because you can't never save, you always have to devour it. Because you eat bigger portions than I do. And I'm trying to tell you what we're supposed to be doing.
He is completely on this bullshit. Do not listen to him right now. Go. You're done. You're done. Cause you on that bullshit.
I'm just trying to tell our fans what we, how we eat, our differences in eating and portions.
Ain't no difference.
What? Look at that meal you're eating right now, this late.
Let me go in here and make you something in this oven,
What?
Mr. Proper.
What time is it? It's after 8? You're eating this heavy meal right now? I'm eating this light meal?
Baby. How the kids say it? Cap. You is capped out right now. Totally. Fucking totally.
Our kids would agree with me right now. Let's say we're here.
You wrong right here.
Okay. I'm always on your side.
So you ain't gonna eat no cornbread
Sit your
tomorrow?
rights. Huh?
You ain't gonna eat no cornbread tomorrow?
What are we having for dinner tomorrow?
Don't worry about it. But if you got something to do with cornbread, you ain't gonna eat it.
It depends what all we having. I mean, I can't eat cornbread by itself.
Stop. Don't listen to him.
I wouldn't
You
eat
this close.
I wouldn't eat cornbread with dressing, you know. That's way too much starch. So I don't know. Depends on what you're cooking.
Go over there, baby.
No, I can't just walk up straight.
Yes, you can. You're done. You're done. Cause I'm gonna get you when we get off. When go, baby. You're done. You're done.
Get me when I get off.
I can't even eat. I'm not gonna pay for. I'll bottle my sauce up. My sauce tastes better than theirs.
You do? I mean, you are, I'm saying. Like, I've never seen you pour that dressing.
Is this how mukbang's supposed to go, y'all?
I've never seen you do that.
Minus the BS that he's talking. You never see me do what?
Pour that restaurant like that.
It's a mukbang.
Okay.
Ain't no how you supposed to do it.
I don't know. I'm not a mukbang expert.
I don't do mukbangs either, baby.
I didn't ever hear the word until I met you.
These them kids.
Yeah.
Mukbang, man.
I think I remember you saying, I remember asking you, why they always watching that crazy shit on YouTube?
Mm-hmm.
They watching people chewing and eating on YouTube. Why they do that? And you told me it's a mukbang.
Mm-hmm.
Mari loves it.
Mari loves it.
She's a mukbang expert.
You want in on this?
No. No. No.
What about off camera? You want in on this?
No, I gotta watch this physique. This has gotta last me.
You sure fine, boy.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I got a dad bod.
Baby, go. You're clocking out. Go ahead. Go ahead, baby.
Go ahead, eat. I'm good.
You're done.
I'm entertaining. That's what I'm supposed to do. Why the way you suck that bone? You need a napkin?
That would be nice.
Let me help you out here.
Okay, we're done. We're done. Thank you, baby. Go.
I just love you so much.
Go over there. Baby.
So you eat the celery too?
Nope.
You don't like the celery? We got green onions in there too. Scallions, green onions, whatever.
See you guys. Love you guys. Bye, you guys. Continue to subscribe for us, please. My husband is on some other shit. I hope y'all enjoyed this mukbang. I don't know if we're gonna do a mukbang again. I love y'all.
Love you guys.